Hey guys, lately I've had a few clients that have come to me and complaining about lower back issues. So lower back problems, tightness, and soreness in that lumbar region. So I want to hit on two reasons why I see a lot of golfers struggle with lower back pain. Okay, the first reason is they were taught to stick their backside out at setup. So they have an arching of the lower back. This is what we call S posture, or anterior pelvic tilt. What that causes, tightness over a long period of time, it's going to hurt your lower back. Okay, so we want to get more to neutral, where you feel like your hips are coming back, and it's going to feel really weird to you at first. Okay, so that's the first reason. The next reason that I see it is my clients, or golfers in general, because they have tight hip joints, they have a hard time rotating their hip joints, they're going to compensate with their knees, or worse, your lower back. And so when the golfer comes through, if they have really tight hips, they're going to hang back and they're going to put a lot of pressure on that lower back because they have to do that motion to accomplish the swing. So over time, again, this is putting a lot of pressure on those lower back. You're going to have problems long term. So I want to show you a couple exercises or drills that you can do to help you get to neutral spine so you don't have those lower back issues. The first one is if you're normally here, okay, in that anterior pelvic tilt position, I want you to go the opposite as far as you can go. And then I want you to go back as far as you can go and then halfway. Okay? That's going to help us find that neutral spine. The next exercise you can do is go supine on the ground. Okay? And what we want to do is we want to push our pelvic into the mat. So your lower back's going to be pressing against the mat. So you're going to feel the abdominals contract, okay, and then hold that position. You can go back to normal and then go flat again. Over time, this is going to strengthen your core, it's going to help your lower back, and again, you're going to find that neutral spine. So if you do those two exercises at home to check, see if you can get to neutral, but again, do this supine pelvic tilt, and I think it'll really help you with your lower back. If you have more problems after that, make sure to see a TPI certified professional or a medical professional to help you find the source of your problem, and then you can get exercise and things to fix it.